Hey there, busy professionals. We all know how hectic life can get, especially when you're juggling multiple tasks and responsibilities. It can feel like you're constantly racing against the clock, trying to get everything done. Ever find yourself drowning in daily tasks? The endless to-do lists, the never-ending emails, and the constant stream of meetings can be overwhelming. Well, I've got you covered. Today, I'm going to share some amazing life hacks that will help you streamline your day and make everything a bit more manageable. Here are the top 5 life hacks you absolutely need to know to make your day a breeze. First up, binder clips. These little tools are more versatile than you might think. Yes, those little guys you usually see scattered around the office, they can be a game changer for keeping your workspace tidy. Clip them to the edge of your desk and thread your cables through the metal handles. No more tangled messes. This simple trick can save you a lot of time and frustration. Your workspace will thank you. A neat and organized desk can boost your productivity and help you stay focused on the tasks at hand. Next, let's talk about cleaning your microwave. We all know how quickly it can get dirty, especially if you use it frequently. Pop a bowl of water with a slice of lemon inside and heat it for a few minutes. The steam will loosen any grime, making it super easy to wipe clean. Plus, the lemon adds a fresh scent that will leave your microwave smelling great. It's a quick and natural way to keep your kitchen appliance in top shape. It's like a spa day for your kitchen. A clean and fresh-smelling microwave can make your kitchen feel more inviting and pleasant. Ever struggled with a stubborn jar lid? It can be incredibly frustrating when you're trying to open a jar and the lid just won't budge. Here's a trick. Grab a rubber band and wrap it around the lid. The added friction makes it a cinch to open. This simple hack can save you a lot of time and effort, especially when you're in a hurry. Say goodbye to wrestling with jars like a WWE match. With this trick, you'll be able to open any jar with ease. Now, for all you coffee lovers, we all know how important that morning cup of coffee is to kickstart your day. Freeze leftover coffee in ice cube trays. This way, you can enjoy your favorite iced coffee without it getting watered down. Next time you crave an iced coffee, use these cubes instead of regular ice. No more watered down drinks. It's a simple way to elevate your coffee game. It's pure, undiluted caffeine bliss. You'll get the full flavor of your coffee without any dilution. Lastly, embrace the power of the dry erase marker on your bathroom mirror. This is a great way to keep track of important reminders and motivational quotes. Write down reminders, to-do lists, or even motivational quotes. It's a simple and effective way to stay organized and motivated. It's easy to wipe off and update regularly. You can change your notes and quotes as often as you like. It's like having a personal assistant, but cheaper. This hack can help you stay on top of your tasks and keep you motivated throughout the day. There you have it, folks. These 5 life-changing hacks are designed to make your day run more smoothly and efficiently. Implement these tips and watch your productivity soar. You'll be amazed at how much easier your day becomes with these simple tricks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time. Stay tuned for more life hacks and productivity tips to help you navigate your busy life with ease.